Every family that chooses River City Academy over the other options for 7th through 12th graders in the area chooses them for a different reason. However, we found that there are three basic reasons that families choose RCA over other schools. We like to refer to those as our approach, or 3 reasons to choose RCA. The first of those reasons is our positive school climate. Our students, above all, will tell you that they love being a student at RCA because of the positive school experience that it provides them. The second reason that parents and students choose RCA over other schools is our competency-based curriculum. This is sometimes referred to as a standards-based curriculum or also a guaranteed viable curriculum. The expectations for our students are laid out at the beginning of every course for all of the courses that are available to students. And until a student meets all of those competencies, they're not finished with the course. This frees up the time frame on a course and allows students to work at their own pace when needed. Lastly, the reason that students will tell you that they love to come to RCA is our student-centered culture. We believe that students are at the heart of what we do as educators, and their feedback and their experience is important to us, and it's the center of what we do as a school.